Have you ever wondered about the full capabilities of Excel, Microsoft's powerhouse spreadsheet software? Today, we're diving into an A to Z list of Excel facts that just might blow your mind, starting with A for AutoSum. This handy feature automatically calculates sums and averages in selected cells. It's like having a math whiz on speed dial. B is for budgeting. Excel provides a plethora of templates and tools for managing both personal and business budgets. It's like having a financial advisor in your computer. C stands for conditional formatting, a feature that highlights cells based on specific conditions, adding an extra layer of data analysis. Diving into D, we find data analysis. Excel offers various data analysis tools, including pivot tables and charts, turning raw data into meaningful insights. E is for error handling. Excel provides error handling functions such as iferror and error.type, helping to ensure accuracy in your calculations. F stands for filtering. With Excel, you can quickly filter data using autofilter or advanced filter options, making data management a breeze. G ushers us into the world of graphs. Excel offers a variety of chart types, including column, line, and pie charts, transforming numbers into visual stories. H is for hide, unhide. This feature allows you to hide or unhide rows, columns, or worksheets, helping to streamline your data view. I brings us to if statements. These logical statements allow for conditional formatting and calculations, adding depth to your data analysis. Jumping over to J, we have Join and Combine, a feature that allows you to merge data from multiple worksheets or workbooks, creating a comprehensive data view. K is for keyboard shortcuts. Excel boasts numerous keyboard shortcuts for efficient navigation, turning you into a data ninja. L leads us to lookup functions. Use VLOOKUP, index match, or lookup for data retrieval, making data navigation a piece of cake. M stands for macros, a feature that allows you to record and automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and energy. N brings us to named ranges. This feature allows you to define and use named ranges for easier formula referencing, streamlining your data management. O is for outline, a feature that allows you to organize data using Excel's outline feature, bringing order to your data chaos. P introduces us to pivot tables. This powerful tool allows you to analyze large data sets, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Q stands for query. Use Excel's query feature to import and manipulate external data, expanding your data sources. R is for regression analysis. Perform this statistical process using Excel's built-in tools, helping you to predict and forecast trends. S is for shortcuts. Excel is packed with shortcuts like Ctrl+S for saving, helping you to work faster and smarter. T brings us to tables. Excel allows you to convert data into formatted tables, making data presentation clean and professional. U unveils user-defined functions, UDFs. This feature allows you to create custom functions, tailoring Excel to your needs. V is for validation. This feature restricts input data using data validation rules, ensuring data integrity. W stands for workbook protection. Protect your workbooks with passwords, keeping your data safe and secure. X is for XML. Excel allows you to import and export data in XML format, making data exchange seamless. Y is for year frac. Calculate year fractions using Excel's year frac function, adding precision to your date calculations. Finally, Z is for zoom. Adjust zoom levels for better visibility, ensuring your data is always easy to read. So there you have it, folks, an A to Z list of Excel facts. Remember, Excel is not just a spreadsheet software, it's a powerful data analysis tool that, when fully utilized, can transform the way you work with data. Make sure to subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Subscribe our channel.